welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna try to follow NikkieTutorials makeup tutorial. Oh my god, I'm so excited and nervous at the same time because she has amazing skill. I admire her a lot. Finger crossed to me, guys. I'm gonna give my 100%, and I don't have the same products, but I'm gonna do with my own products. Before jumping to the video, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's get to the video now. So I got my laptop here. Okay, let's watch which one I'm gonna do. So guys, I'm gonna do full face using only affordable makeup Valentine's Day tutorial. Well, it's not Valentine's Day, but hey, who cares? I'm gonna do tutorial, that's it. Let's play the video now and let's see what's he gonna do.
Hello guys, it's me.
Hello.
Nikki. Good
It's me, Susmita.
morning, good night, good afternoon, where are you?
Good morning.
Before we start off, I do want to let you know that recently I found out about the comfort of living with hoodies on.
So hot here, I can't put on hoodies. So
one of my 2019 resolutions for my channel have been that I want to show you more options when it comes to makeup.
okay,
I am
that's
kind of known
good.
for always
Okay, we're gonna skip this talk. Let's jump onto the video, guys.
Catrice Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Fixing Spray Glow.
Good. I don't have this, but I have this MAC Prep Plus Prime. You might be curious, I have put some glitter in it. So I love glitters. Let's spray this. Okay, oh my god. Bam. I sprayed too much. Okay, now done with the primer. Let's see the foundation.
I've been finding out about all these amazing full coverage, affordable
Oh,
foundations.
full coverage.
So one of them being the Make Revolution Fast Base Stick that I did an entire video on. Another one being the Ordinary Serum Foundation, the one that Abby used to me in my last video. But also this. Now, who remembers?
Okay. I don't have this Revlon foundation and Ordinary foundation, so I'm gonna use this Alical Pro Matte matte foundation.
We'll be spreading out some F2 on my face.
Okay.
Over sponges. This is
I'm
so funny.
spreading
So of
this
course, you could
beige
use
onto
the
my
Real Techniques
skin.
Body Blender Sponge.
Okay,
This is
I also
their
have
usual
this.
sponge.
I have
All right,
my
let's get a move on. Let's apply.
Let's move on.
The just one.
Okay, I'm gonna drop this all over my face. Usually I do my brows, eye makeup first. Now she is doing her face makeup first and then eye makeup. Oh my god, it's gonna be tough. But hey, let's just try it. Okay. She used lots of foundation. So basically, I'm following her, so. Oh, she also put the foundation on her lips as well. Oh my god.
That Eco Tools? No, thank you, ma'am. This, however, even though it's huge,
Yeah,
it
it's
covers
huge.
your face so fast.
So fast, yeah.
You're giving me a sort of satin matte feel. It
Yeah,
definitely
same
doesn't
here.
look like a glowy finish.
Wait, I'm still blending.
So
See,
the
no?
ColourPop No Filter Concealer is going under my eyes, and I am taking the color.
Okay, I don't have the ColourPop concealer, so I'm gonna use this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Okay. Oh, too much concealer. Oh my god. Let's do this. Let's blend.
And now going in with the
Oh my god,
Oxy
she's so fast. I'm still blending.
No Color Powder to set my
Okay.
face.
I'm gonna use this Airspun Loose Face Powder.
Time for the brows. I have collected the Catrice Slimatic Ultra Precise brow pencil, waterproof, and the color light. And then
okay, I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil in the shade O2 dark brown because I don't have the same.
Starting off with the Catrice pencil, I'm just going to trace a line underneath my brow, then on top of my brow, and then fill in the... Oh my god, what?
Okay,
oh,
and then she is doing this. I'm gonna use this Essence Make Me Pro Eyebrow Gel Mascara.
There. Okay, concealer can fix this. Alrighty, and now with concealer, I'm going to carve these out to hopefully save the day.
Oh my god, how fast! It's all reversed for me.
Okay, people, I went off camera, had some playtime, and this is what I came up with. And might I share that I am so
I also have to do this first.
All.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna do one eye as like her off camera, and then I will be back and I'm gonna showing you the another eye. So keep on watching.
Off camera, had some playtime, and this
is what and then I also
and
did my one eye.
So
it's turned pretty much okay. It turns beautiful, but I didn't find the exact same shade. But I try my best to match the eyeshadow shade, but I think it's okay. Let's do the another eye. I'm so scared right now, guys. It's so hard, but hey, let's do this. And I'm gonna add some loose powder under my eyes. I know my eyes are gonna fall out, so let's not ruin all the makeup.
For palette, and this is what it looks like.
She's using this palette, but I'm gonna use this Morphe 45B.
So I'm going in with this color right here.
Yes, see?
Just stamping in the shape that I desire for this.
This is so hard.
So when we look up,
I'm gonna mix these two colors, this and this and this, yeah. This and this. Let's do this. I'm so scared.
This is going all the way into my crease, stamping it in from inner to outer corner, really building up that color. I know at first you're going to be like, oh my god,
what
are you doing?
Yes.
Don't worry, just stamp that color on, create that shape that you desire, and from there everything is going to be a whole lot easier. Soft,
we don't have the same eyes,
circular motions.
But let me try, okay? Oh, just wait. I'm just still baking. It is so hard, guys.
To give them a softer transition. And I like to place the brush straight onto that line and then applying soft, miniature, circular motions.
Okay, I'm gonna do the same. Okay, yeah.
Alright, now taking this bright pink.
Okay. I'm gonna pick this color.
And just buffing that right above it. Placing it straight on that diffused line that we just actually diffused. And soft little left and right motions to kind of feather that in. Okay, once we've got that down, it is time to cut the crease, and I'm using that same concealer.
I'm gonna use the same concealer she is using, this Elegant Pro concealer. I just hope I'm gonna do the same. Okay, not bad. Ooh, look at her, oh my god.
Alrighty, and now I'm taking this shade and this shade to set the lid.
Okay, for this shade, I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take these two color, create that shade.
Ooh, do you see that? Now that is a cut crease.
Okay.
Melted chrome eyeliner in this sort of like chromy pinky purple.
Okay.
And I'm using that.
Okay, I don't have the same one, so I don't have the silver one as well. I have this gold glitter liner from NYX.
Applying my winged liner using the Catrice.
Okay, let's do the wing liner. I have this Sonata liquid liner, so I'm gonna use this one.
Alrighty, for lashes, so I'm stacking two natural style.
Use the Rebel Beauty Foxy Lash, handmade Foxy lashes for the lashes.
This is a Berry M glitter stacking set.
Okay, we don't have this.
Oh boy, am I excited to finally start playing on this face. So, butter bronzer.
We have the same bronzer, this butter bronzer.
Dusty face. I'm taking this Maybelline one in Cosmopolitan.
I'm gonna pick this color, which I have used for eyeshadow, and just a little bit.
I'm also gonna do some on the tip of the nose. Highlighter, I have these MUA highlighter.
Okay, and I'm gonna use this color.
Okay, then going in with the Catrice Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the color Mid Nude Season.
Okay, I don't have the same set, so I'm gonna this 2000 Kisses Wonderful Lipstick, and in the set 39 Warm Passion.
Then on the center of the lip, I want a little flush of color, so I'm going in with another one. I was hoping they'd be more matte, because now I feel like it's just going to transfer.
Oh,
this
okay.
is the color Hawaiian Hibiscus.
Oh, it's a red. I think it's not completely red, but let me find the shade. Okay, I don't have the same shade and same brand, but I have this Velvet Matte Victoria's Secret. I don't know, there is no shade. It's like some pinkies.
Not least, I have a Catrice setting spray. This
Okay, I don't have the Catrice setting spray, so I'm gonna use this NYX Matte Finish Matte setting spray. Okay.
Active Performance from Freezing Spray. Get on my face.
Get on my face. Alright guys, this is the final finished look. I mean, I'm in love with this look, guys. Literally, this is so amazing eye makeup. I mean, it didn't came out 100% like her, but I just like the eye makeup on me, and the lips, and this pinkies highlighter, and everything about this look. This is what I came up to following NikkieTutorial step by step, and I'm in love with this look, guys. I don't know. I know it's not 100% like her, but I did my 100%. Okay guys, what do you think? How it looks? Let me know in the comment section below if it looks nice, if it looks gorgeous, if it looks good or bad. Whatever you think, just leave the comment down below. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you guys want to see more video like that, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna do for you guys. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have enjoyed a lot, guys, while filming this video. Okay guys, stay beautiful, stay positive and stay happy, guys. And if you guys like this video, then give me a big thumbs up, and if you love this video, then subscribe to my channel and join my small family. So bye bye guys, see you, love you.